everyone, welcome to Nikki's Delight. Welcome back. I'm out in the snow. Why not? It's winters. Winters are so cool, isn't it? Sleeping long in the blanket and eating warm food. So let's not waste time and let's go back to my kitchen and cook something warm. So do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. And what does Mama say? Show some love, guys!
This time we have kadai chicken in our menu. Let's get started with the step-by-step process of doing this spicy kadai chicken. First of all, we need either boneless or the normal chicken pieces, and then we need to marinate with the red chili powder, the turmeric powder, some black pepper, salt and coriander powder. We need to marinate these chicken pieces for at least 1 hour. We also need ginger garlic paste for the curry and dry roast powder of these spices. We have taken cinnamon, some dry chilies, coriander seeds, black pepper and cardamom. We also need to dry roast the kasturi methi. It would definitely give some good aroma to the curry. Let's start by dry roasting all the spices in the pan. We should also dry roast the kasturi methi. After that, we need to grind the roasted spices and keep it aside for later use. There are some more arrangements to be done. We need some cube-sized onions and capsicums that would complement the curry. We also need to cut the tomatoes into small pieces and puree it for further use in the curry. But remember, the tomatoes should be the sweeter ones and not the sour ones. Let's start preparing the kadai chicken. In a pan, take some desi ghee. When it's hot, add the cube-sized onions and capsicum. We should fry it in the hot ghee for some time till it gets golden brown. Now as you can see, the onions and capsicums are almost done. It's time to remove it from the pan to be later added into the chicken. To assemble the curry, we need to cook the chicken. For that, we need to take some more desi ghee. Into that, add all the spices. When it starts to crackle, add the chopped onions, and when it turns golden brown, add the tomato puree. Give it a quick stir. Add all the masalas to it: the turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, black pepper, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add salt according to your taste and give it a quick mix. Wait till the masala gets properly cooked.
The masala is getting cooked inside this with all its aroma. It's time to add the chicken into it, and let's see the magic. Let's go.
Now you can see the masala is already cooked. It's time for the chicken to go inside it. Give it a quick stir. Add in the dry roasted homemade masala which we had made. Cover the lid and let the chicken cook inside it. You can go and relax and come back little later.
I can't tell you what we are feeling right now. The aroma is all over our house and we are already into it.
Now let's open the lid. You can see the chicken is cooked. If you feel the gravy is little dry, go ahead and add some water to it. Let the chicken get cooked for 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, add the fried onions and capsicum. To give more flavors to it, let's add the kasturi methi. I added few drops of honey to enhance the taste. Now our kadai chicken is done. We had our kadai chicken with rotis. You can even have it with rice. Thank you for watching. One cannot think well, love well, sleep well if one has not dined well. So have good food and come back again. Stay tuned to Nikki's Delight.